I am on my way to a financial information meetup. It's about how to best care for your money, investments and cryptocurrency probably. I think there's so much we don't learn at school, or if your family is not very into financial stuff, then you just never learn. So yeah, I hope that's going to be interesting. I will let you know.
I don't know if you read the book of Sénèque, the philosopher Sénèque. It's the shortness of life. So basically we are working whole life to eventually retire maybe at 65, 66, 67 years old, where we would have less energy. Why not trying to do some mini retirement, even when you are younger, to at least not pushing them in the future.
So it's cold, I'm wrapped up in a lot of layers and it's still cold. It was about investing in the stock market, investing in properties. But what if you don't have a traditional job or a steady income? Like you could get a mortgage and then buy a property with the bank money and then start making money from renting that property. And then with that money you can buy another property, you get a better mortgage because you have this income and la la. But if you don't have like the traditional steady job that you can offer to the bank, they're not going to give me a mortgage. So I cannot even start with that idea. Even though buying a small apartment somewhere for renting, I think it's a very good idea. So I have to think about my qualities and how I can make profit of those. And it's very basic, but I think I'm gonna try that again. It turns out people are willing to pay for way more things than I would think they would. Maybe there's things that I'm capable of doing easily that I'm like, nobody's gonna pay for that. And then they actually do. Maybe you want to do the same. Maybe you want to tell me some of your qualities. Feel free. I'm happy to read them. And it might inspire me. Maybe I'm like, oh, I can do that too. Maybe. And who knows? Maybe you end up making money with them. You're welcome.